Hi friends, this is Dhruva Kumar HV. Today we are discussing what the subject is statistics for managers. The topic is understanding measures of variability and range, variance and standard deviation. Understanding measures of variability. Measures of variability are statistical tool used for a qualify the aspirant or dispersion of a dataset. Understanding their measures is crucial for intercepting and analyzing data efficiently. In this presentation, we will explore explore three keys measure of a variability, range, variance, and standard deviation. Those concepts will provide you with a deeper understanding of a distribution and a spread of your data, enabling you to draw more meaningful insights and make informed decisions. What is range? The definition is the range is simply measure of variability and respecting the difference between the higher and the lower value of data set. Interruption. The range gives you a quick understanding of a overall spread of your data, indicating the minimum and maximum value. It can be a useful starting point of analyzing data distribution. Limitation. The range of sensitive to the autolinear and extreme value which can the measure and provide an incomplete picture of the data variance. Calculating the range. Step 1. Identify the highest and lowest value in the data set. Step 2. Subtract the lowest value from the highest value to get the range. Step 3. The range is single number that represents all over the spread of the data. For example, if a value is data set or 5, 12, 8, 10, 3, the range could be a 12 minus 3 is 9. What is variance? Variance measures of the average squared deviation from the mean of a data set. The qualifies the spread of the data by the considering the distance of each data point from the mean intersection. Provide a more comprehensive understanding of the variability compared to the range as it's taken into an account the distance of all data point from the mean. A higher variance includes greater span in the data. Limitation variance is a sensitive to outer can be the influenced by the extreme value. It is also as a difference unit measurable measurement that the original data make it less intercept. Calculating the variance. Calculate the mean of data set. Step 2. For each data point, subtract the mean and square the result. Step 2. Add up the all squared deviation and divide by the number of the data point to the get a variance. Example of calculating the simple variant. Data point by subtracting with data point the value of data point subtracting with the mean will come the difference amount of the with by dividing them by square by squaring the value of the difference, we'll get the square difference. By doing the sum and by dividing by the total total numbers, we'll get the variance. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of the variant, and it is present the value distance of the data point from the mean. It provides more sensitive measures of the variability compared to the variance. Description standard deviation gives you a sensitive sense of how much typical data point deviation from the mean it world used to assess the separate and distributor of the data set and the longer deviation, including the greater variability. Data distribution is the same unit of the measurement as per the original data, making it errors into intercept and compares across different data set or variability. Calculation of the standard deviation. Calculate the first step one. Calculate the variance of the dataset using the formula from the previous section. Step 2. Take the square root of the variance to get the standard deviation. Step 3. The standard deviation single number that represent that the average deviation of the data point from the mean. For example, the value of the data set is 5, 12, 8, and 10, 3. The standard deviation could be the square or square root of 19.93, which is approximately 3.6. Interception measurement of variance. Range. The range is simple and the straightforward measure that provide a quickly understanding of the all over separate and data set. However, it is sensitive to outlier and does not consider the distribution of data point. Variance is a more com comprehensive measure that takes into an account to the distance of the all data point from the mean. It provide a quantitative assessment of the subnet, but the unit can be used as it is intercept. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is enabled by used measure that represent that the value average distance distance point from the mean. It is the same unit of measurement as the original data, making it eraser the two intercept and compare across different dataset. Thank you.